In your journaling kit, you're gonna find a few things. You'll find a set of pages, a page support, 2 cover boards, a binding strip, a cover template that we're gonna cut out to use that to make our collage cover, a brush, and then some Mod Podge and Tacky glue. It's also a good idea to have a pair of scissors on hand and a pencil if you've got them. And then you're gonna need your collage materials. So random bits of fabric, I've cut a few out here. This is called washi tape, which is a fun little tool. And I've also printed out a photo that I took on a piece of computer paper. All right, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is use my brush and the tacky glue, and I'm going to brush this directly onto the page support. And then I'm gonna wrap this page support on both sides. The next step is going to be starting our cover and creating that. So you'll see you've got a cover template that is made out of cardstock. We're going to cut along the outer edges of that template. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my brush and use that to put a thin layer of tacky glue right onto the page support. Now I'm not going all the way to the edge of my book of pages. I'm just staying right where those page supports are. Okay, I've already applied the tacky glue on my pages, so now what I want to do is center it top to bottom. So I want there to be as much space between the cover and the book of pages on the top as there is on the bottom. I also want to make sure that that bound edge of my book is lined up exactly with that binding strip. So I've cut out some pieces from fabric that I want to incorporate, but I thought it would also be fun to print out a photo I took and use that as part of my collage. And what I'm going to do is take a clean brush and brush a light coat of Mod Podge, all over the back side of that photo. And again, I am using Mod Podge to do this because it won't show the wrinkles as well as some of the as the tacky glue does. And at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my cover a little bit so I can see the whole thing. And I am going to use my brush and apply it in the same direction the entire time I am sealing this surface. So you can see I've got a couple pieces of scrap paper over here. Thought that might be a good tool to use if my glue starts spilling over the edge and I'm worried it's going to touch my pages. If that starts happening, you can always just take this scrap piece of paper, place it there, and then if my cover sticks to anything, it's sticking to a piece of paper that I can toss without worrying about it impacting the rest of my book. Okay, I'm going to carefully set my page up. I'm just moving around my scrap paper So I noticed it was sticking from my first layer. I can also just take my finger and run it along the edges here where the glue tends to run over and pool. This is a really fun project to do with a group of people. We had some fun. This was made by our friend Fiona. And I think she did a really cool job of incorporating the maps as the background. And I love how she has these little details of adding some paper she used elsewhere as features on the clothing. Very cool. I hope you all had as much fun as I did making your cool collage journal. I can't wait to see how you all fill it. Thank you so much for supporting the AHA School. We are so grateful. We'll see you next time.